Good morning, everybody. And if you're with us here in Victoria or Vancouver Island or the mainland, then you are covered in snow and you have a snow day today, which is so exciting. So the reason that I'm here live today is I want to explain a few things about my upcoming online class called The 8 Power Steps of Becoming a Master Manifester. I've been getting a lot of interest in the course, which is super exciting, and thank you everybody for that. And I've been getting a lot of questions, and the biggest question that I've been receiving so far is the time that the class is happening, 10 o'clock PST on Thursdays. Many people are working or have other obligations, and so they've told me they can't take the course. Please let me put your mind at rest about that. The class is going to be held in a Facebook private group, kind of like a Facebook Classrooms. The class once a week will be live. However, Facebook groups always record. So you can come back at any time, no matter what time zone you're in or what you have going on during the day. And in your own time, you can rewatch the class and you can comment, and I will come back in and I will make sure to reply and answer to all the comments. While the class is running, if you are coming into the live portion, you can then leave your comments and leave your questions as the class is progressing. And I can look over to my screen and I can see there's Tammy. Hi, Tammy. And Darren is there. And Tracy McCallum has joined. So hi, everybody. So this is how it works. I wanted to take the opportunity to demonstrate to you how easy this is. And this is why I chose to do this first class, my first online teaching class, as a Facebook class, because of how easy it is for us to all interact. Johanna, hi, Johanna. So Johanna is in the class. Tracy's in the class. The other Tracy, or Tammy's in the class, rather. It's going to be so much fun. Let me give you a little bit of a rundown on why it is that I'm running this class and how it is that I can run this class. I'm running this class because I think it is so important for us to recognize what our potential is to be living the life that we want to live. You can have the things that you want most in your life, whatever that is. Maybe it's a new relationship. Maybe it's a better sense of well-being. Maybe it's a different kind of career. Maybe it's a piece of furniture you've always wanted and you want to learn how to manifest it. Over the last 10 to 12 years, I've been developing these 8 power steps. I've been living these 8 power steps, and I've been teaching them in person-to-person workshops, in metaphysical meetup talks, and in my own course, the Confident Healer, which is the Intuitive Intensive Healers Program, as well as another workshop I've created called Thriving in Your Intuitive Business. So these steps are real, they work. I love teaching them. And this for me is really exciting to be able to take this whole class, this whole structure that I've created, and make it available to you no matter where you are and what time zone that you're in. So that's why and how I've come to be doing this as a Facebook Live. And I want to reiterate again, no matter where you are, no matter what time zone you're in, and no matter what else you have going on at 10 a.m. on Thursday mornings for the next 8 weeks, you can still participate in this class. There's an incredible thing that happens with group energy. It's an acceleration of results. So where you may have tried to do manifesting on your own and perhaps not have achieved the kinds of results that you were hoping for, when you do it in a group setting, the group energy takes your desires, your goals, your dreams, and your intention to fulfill those to a whole other level. Oh, Maggie Reedy. Hi, Maggie. I'm so excited to have you here. So this is why I want you to be in this group. I want you to have the experience of this group energy. When we're in a group, we're all rooting for each other, right? We're all helping each other have these achievements and go through these processes together. And we create this really beautiful energy within the group. So having said all of that, the next question is probably, how do I join? How can I take this beautiful course with you? So we've made it really simple. You hop over to my website, which is meganedge.ca. You click on classes, you click on manifesting. That takes you into our beautiful landing page. And right there, there's a button that says, yes, I want to join. Click on that button. You're going to receive your 30+ full color page manual. You're going to receive your 8 power colors of manifesting. And we're going to be working with those colors 1 per week as we go through the 8 weeks. Then I'm going to receive a notice. You're going to receive a notice. I'm going to invite you into our private Facebook page, our group rather, And on this Thursday, Valentine's Day, February the 14th, the journey begins. Let me just have a quick check and see who else has joined us. So we've got a bunch of people coming up. This is great. So this is where on the side you can see on your own page where you're going to write your questions and where you're going to receive answers from me. Hi, Johanna. Oh, the other thing I wanted to say is that during the week, so between Thursday and Thursday, I'm going to continue teaching you. You're going to be receiving additional resources. We're going to be having conversations. I'm going to pop in and do a few surprise lives, and you're going to have the opportunity to work on what it is you want to manifest and ask your own questions of the group and receive support from the group. So really, this is an 8-week intensive manifesting course. And oh, the last thing I wanted to say is you've got to be ready and prepared to do some of your own work. And by that I mean, to become a master manifester, you have to do the work to remove any of the old beliefs, consciously or unconsciously, that are getting in the way of you truly knowing what it is that you deserve and what it is that you can have. And so that's a big part of the first piece that we're going to be working on, is looking at what those beliefs are. And in this group, there will be no judgment and there will be no apology. So it will be a really safe place for you to explore what those blocks are. And then with my support and coaching and the support of the other people in the class, we're going to move those blocks. We're going to shift that old way of thinking, and we're going to open you up to a whole new understanding of what abundance means and how it can show up in your life. I am so looking forward to this journey with you. Oh, hi, Marilyn. Marilyn just popped in as well. See, and Marilyn's up in Nanaimo. She doesn't have to drive down for this course. She gets to do it from the comfort of her own home and her pajamas if she wants to. That's the beauty of this. All right, everybody, thank you so much for showing up and for supporting me. I really appreciate it. And please get in touch with me if you want to get into the group, you want to be a part of this course, or jump over to our Facebook page again, or not Facebook page, sorry, website, which is again, meganedge.ca. Lovely, love everybody. Have a beautiful day. Stay warm if you're in the snow zone. And I hope to see you this Thursday morning at 10 a.m. or on the recording that you can watch at any time and on your own. Thank you, everybody. Mwah. Have an amazing day.